Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dustin Mankin. This is Excite Video Magazine, and today is going to be an awesome day. That's because today we are at an event hosted by Garage Wise. This was my first Garage Wise event, but it definitely won't be my last. Yuri-san, Shimoda-san, and the rest of the crew are really great people. The track layout was really sweet too. Even though it was a cone course, it didn't feel like it. The back half was mildly technical, with the front being a fast, wide sweeper that was fun to watch for spectators as well. One of the most interesting things to me was that they were using an old construction timing light to control entering cars and run times. Let's check out some cars and drifting from the event. I come back over here, I just got blasted in the leg with this rock. It came off the car, and I thought I was gonna get hit in the face by another piece, but this would come and it blasted me right in the shin. Shimoda-san was trying to keep the track clear of rocks, but the pavement was just in too bad a shape. I think it's time for Autopolis to repave the Gymkhana lot. If they do, it will have to be over the winter. If they don't, it's going to continue to be a danger to cars and spectators, as well as passengers and drivers. Other than the rocks, everything else was awesome. There were actually a lot of cool cars here. Some stuff I don't think you've seen yet from my other videos. Stuff like this R34 four-door sporting a host of Urus Aero parts, including rear wide fenders, GT side skirts and rear bumper, and my personal favorite, a Type RR front bumper. Looks like he's also been to R34 Day. I'm pretty jealous. I really want to go. If you like this car, let me know and I'll try to get more footage of it. I can tell you one thing, it's one of the best sounding R34s I've ever heard. Then we have this S14.3. S14.3s have been fairly popular in Japan lately, but this is the first I've seen with a Silvia front instead of a 180 front. The panel fitment is so-so, but as a drift car, it works and I like it. Speaking of S13s, here are a few shots of the Astral S13. It has that 90s old school vibe. They were also nice enough to let me throw a camera on their car for a few laps. I just mounted a camera on that car, but I did actually get to ride along with Nagahiro Kazuya. His yellow S14 Koki is a really nice setup, and I'm going to show you the ride along in a separate video because it's worth it. Keep your eyes peeled. Dude, I am burnt from being out here with no sunscreen, but I am having the time of my life. This is one of the best events I've ever been to, and we had a lot of fun, and I got a really good ride along. I'm going right now to see if I can get this camera on another car and bring you all something else. And I did get my camera on another car, which was Motoyama-san's green S14. I wasn't thrilled with where I put the camera, but I'm just trying out new angles and trying to find my own flavor. I do have another solo video featuring him though, so you should check it out. I'll post the link in the description. I know there have been a lot of S chassis in this video, but that really is what most people drift in Kyushu. One exception to that is this Chaser, which I do have enough footage of to do a solo video also. This car is beautiful and it was laying down some phenomenal clouds of smoke. Stay tuned for that one as well. And if you don't want to miss that video, I highly recommend you do yourself a favor and click subscribe right now. Subscribing always has and always will be for you, and it's just so you can find the latest videos coming out from Japan. But if you do want to help me out, go ahead and click like and share this with as many of your friends as possible so that we can grow the channel. I'd love to have more awesome viewers like you checking out my videos. See you next time. Peace.